Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to talk about promoting your Amazon video or landing page with your WordPress site. Now if you're already working on WordPress and you already have a website or blog that you're using, you can use it to promote your videos. And one of the ways that you can do that is using a redirect. And to do that, we're first going to go to the plugins area. We're then going to search for affiliate link cloaking. Now you can use just about any of these link cloaking systems that you like. The one that we're going to work with in this video is going to be by ClionPid. So you'll see that it's already active as a plugin on this site. In fact, you'll see link cloaking here on the left side menu. And what we're going to do is we're going to click link cloaking. And when we get there, what we're going to do is we're going to click add new link. What we're going to do is we're going to put the link to our individual videos here in this section, and we're going to give this a unique, memorable name. So we can write in here a name that our clients would know. In this case, for the sake of this video, we're going to write in the term tutorial videos. Now for now, we're going to write in here Prime Video. However, you would write in here amazon.com/v/the name that you gave your particular set of videos. When you've done that, you're then going to click Add Link. And what you've done is you've given your clients a memorable name for them to be able to associate with your WordPress site. Now, one more thing that you can do is you can alter the menus and appearance. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the menus area, and we're going to create a custom link. What we're going to do is we're going to put in here our video URL. And what we've done is we've made sure that this item is always going to be in our WordPress menu so that people that come to our page will be able to click on this link and be taken to our set of videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.